I'd like to talk to you about your car's extended warranty. Anything. Anyways, I don't know. I'm reading from a napkin. Because I forgot. We've done so much. I have no idea.
Yeah,
Timing. We did the headlights. They look kind of cute. No.
Yeah, first thing
Front end's back together. Rods in there. Intercooler's replaced. Timing. Yeah. Some timing.
Yeah.
Did the timing.
What about the spark plugs?
Did timing as well.
Let's talk about butter sauce.
What about buttered sauces? What's that all about? Why is that a thing? Why does that bug me so much?
DSG. Cam follower. Fuel filter.
Whoa.
Oh. Anyways. We're moving on to something else. We're gonna tackle the back half of this exhaust system. This guy's getting replaced. It's in here. We have a new one coming. But this is cracked. It's leaking. And this gotta go. Because we make a cut. Race car. I'm lost. And we're back. This is gonna get welded up. We're thinking about replacing it, and then we're like, better not. It's gonna cost money.
Yeah, you got welding.
And it's literally just time. So we're gonna clean it up, weld it up, fix her back brand new. This is gonna get to the shop. Aye! And then straight out the back. Just straight pipe. DTM gang. Just straight pipe out the back. It's gonna be good.
It's making a donation. We're gonna use this old busted ass cat and take that and stick it on the back. Make it look like shit, but it will be nice to hear, you know? Yeah, gonna make a cut, do-bong. Not much to work with, guys, I'm sorry. Oh, sorry, I'll measure the pipe now. Well, I gotta see how it's gonna come out. Now we gotta figure out what part of the kink we're gonna use. Because we want it to go up a little bit. We don't want it to go down, because that's gonna look like trash. We'll just cut. Oh my God, these allergies are so good. I love it so much. I love to breathe. It's the Eye of Sauron. Don't you put that on me, Ricky Bobby. Don't you put that on me. I'm just gonna get rid of the rest of you. Get out.
He's already dead.
Let's take this entire thing and just shove it on like this. And then we'll put a wheel on the back and just really drag it around. It's gonna be good. We got it. I mean, obviously I'm just holding it, but pretty dang close. We're gonna move this up a little bit, just a little bit. Clean it up, weld it on, center it up, watch it just shake around like crazy. Let you know how much power. Probably put that like 900,000 wheel at each wheel, so like 4,000 horsepower. It's not a big deal. That's just what we do.
Welding needs to have a clean place for ground so the fusion can happen nicely. This is basically the only part that's stainless that's remotely nice anymore. So what I'm gonna do is just hit it with a little skibbity pap, put the clamps
Yeah, what kind of things though?
on like this though. Definitely the good stuff, you know, it's the good stuff. So, in the center as best as possible. The stock exhaust really isn't in the dead center of it anyways, but we'll make it happen. Off, probably like a 1/4 inch from center, but I feel like once we do the downpipe and everything, we can kind of adjust it. I'm gonna put another hanger back here anyway, so. Tack welded it. Oh, I'm just trying to get this on. Okay.
Get it on.
It's tack welded.
Get it on.
It's pretty center. Like I said, the exhaust is off just a little bit to the driver's side from factory, but when we really sort it out, it's gonna be pretty damn center. We're gonna weld another hanger. I'll probably use the subframe itself or the actual body, just to give it a little more stability, and then it's not hanging all over the place. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish welding this in. I love it. Boy. So yeah, great news. One of the scabby old stinky parts of that resonator broke. So looks like we're putting our donor one in at some point soon, cause it ain't gonna work. Ain't gonna work. Plus it'll probably sound nice, but yeah. That's where it's usually sitting. We'll probably put a plumb bob under. It's pretty close to the center. So, but we got our little scrappy poo exhaust system built. Someone's literally throwing up over there. It sounded great. And that one's kind of half broken. The other half is just, it left the chat. It's gone.
A few moments later.
Hello. So yeah, we got to make some exhaust hangers for our center exit Dogger Surprise. And we don't have hangers that are big enough, so we're going to use these hood props and just sort it out, you know? Just like sort it out. But that was not any fucking bigger now, is it? Oh, that one's not any lumping bigger. Listen, I already made one hanger, but I used a piece that I had already that slides over, you know, like hanger, and the rod fits in it. That one's already done. Did that already. That's from a different car. So now I have to go and drill it bigger, Ricky Martin style, and then slide that Johnny on there, push some fusion into the tip, and the tip's gonna stick to that rod with the power of welding.
My tip frequently sticks to other rods.
It might be a doctor's trip.
Oh, it's not going anywhere.
Oh.
A few inches later. One eternity later.
All right, guys, before we close off this video, I wanted to go through a few mods that we did to this GTI before we take it to the track. Starting off, we've got a cold air intake. Previously loved. Is it nice? No, but it works. Over here, we did a CTS turbo downpipe, 3 inches, stainless steel. Those are just a couple of the power mods, you know, make it max boost. We have some 17 by 8 1/4 wheels from a Mercedes and some well-loved 235/40/17 Toyo Proxy R1Rs. Some sticky boys. Things you can't see. We changed cam chain tensioner and we did a balance shaft delete because those like to seize up. We also upgraded the brakes just a little bit. We have some OEM rotors and EBC yellow stuff pads to make all the stopping power. And in the rear, some Hawk HP Plus pads, and to complement that, we have Motul RBF 660 brake fluid. I saw earlier in the video, we were welding up a TCR style exhaust, so if you'll follow me, you'll see this thick pipe. And let's see how it sounds. Other than that, I think she's ready to rip. So stay tuned. In the next episode, we're going to be taking this thing to the track.